Just having a bit of fun here. Here we have a Jensen 55 running an Ertl water pump jack and an Ertl Maytag washing machine. I've done some work on these pump jacks and replaced the square axles with round brass ones. Put in 3 oil ports, and this one is the only one I've added an extra pulley to so I can run something else, and that would be the Maytag washing machine. I love the smooth fluid motion of these, and if the mods come out good, then it's really a pleasure and a treat to watch run, and they run forever. They're very heavy die cast material. I bought this just on a lark and see if I can modify it, and it really come out a treat. Kind of like the motion of it. See down deep. The detailing on these Ertl's Powerhouse series is pretty good. Nice and heavy die cast. Okay, that's enough for that. Have a nice day, folks.